I'm near at my customer's location. Now I have to call him. Where is he? After a long time, after conversation through mobile phone, my customer is coming. He have seen me, but I can't see him. Where is he? আপনার লোকেশনটা এটাই শো করছিল। $103. I got 103 টাকা after completing my second trip. And now I am at Mohakali. And from here I will go to Badda. Because I feel like here I won't get any trip because it is morning time. Morning time you can't get any trip from here. It is a solo area for morning time. I dropped off my third customer and I took him as a second customer, and 5 minutes later after dropping him he called me and he told me if I will be able to take him to his previous location. From there he got on my bike. An accident happened here. It is a miserable thing for road. Now where I am going I don't know, but I am going. Now I will turn left. Because I will go to the Gulistan route from here. Then I will get a trip from there. My bike's battery has broken down properly. After a long time, after a long trying, I have started my bike. Now it is working, but when it off again I don't know. So I'll go to house. I want to ride sharing today. Horn also not working properly. Horn, indicator, backlight, front light and starting switch, everything is not working properly. Sometimes it's working and sometimes it's not working. But this way it's not possible to ride the bike on the road in this traffic jam. So it will be good. I should go to my house.